Hey guys, it's Eric. I'm here with the big guy today. We're doing some decorating. He tells me he knows a thing or two, so I'll take his word for it. Alright guys, today's December 2nd, 2018, Sunday, coming at you with today's AOTD. Okay guys, I think I mentioned before that with the AOTD thing, I wanted to do like a holiday edition too. So that's what today's is. I'm outside. It's really nice out, and so I thought that today would be a good day to do my first holiday AOTD. It can be fun to be putting up holiday decorations and stuff outside, which is what I'm doing today. So my very first piece of advice for a holiday AOTD is this. Pennsylvania weather can be so unpredictable. I mean, like really unpredictable. Like one day super hot, one day super cold, and that can happen all within the same week. My first holiday AOTD is this. If you're gonna put lights up outside, do it when it's warm out. I'm really lucking out this year because today it is like almost 60 degrees outside. It's a little rainy and dreary, but I mean, it's still warm. Like I just put my sweatshirt on because it's starting to, like the sun's starting to go down, so it's starting to get a little bit cool. But today it is really nice out, and that's like not uncommon for a day in Pennsylvania in December. So it'll probably be like super nice now for a little while, and then it'll be snowing by the weekend, then it'll warm up and it'll be nice again, and then come January, February, we'll be all buried in 3 feet of snow. But if you are gonna go out and put up some lights, this is the time to do it. It's much easier, the temperature is much warmer, much more bearable to deal with it. You're not gonna get as frustrated and aggravated with doing it. It might be like a little trim around the window, or you might go full on Clark Griswold. But whatever it is that you do, just do it during warmer weather. You might live up north where it's a little bit cold and you have to put your lights up in July. A-okay. If you live in the south and you are going to put them up, then you have pretty much until the day before Christmas to do it too. Whatever you like to do. So get outside and put them up now while it's still warm out, so you can enjoy them later when the snow's coming down and everything is merry and bright and everything is so very festive for the holidays. And if you don't put up lights for whatever reason that is, consider yourself very lucky. I'm going to leave it at that. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. This was your festive holiday AOTD for the second day of December. It is also Vlogmas Day 2, so keeping on with those daily posts every day. If you like what you see here, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe, tap that little bell so you'll keep getting notifications that the AOTDs come up every day, and share with your friends. Thanks guys, have a great day. And this is all that's staying up so far. That's it. Okay, also, quickly, don't forget to test your lights, too, to make sure that they work. That would suck if you did the whole thing